Well, here we are. Today is Saturday the 15th of August. I'm down at Seagulls Soccer. I've got my little man playing on the field behind, and I'm down here obviously on behalf of Highland Property Agents. We've got a big day on. We've got face painting. A gold coin donation goes straight to the Sydney Children's Hospital. We've got the kick the ball in the whole competition. We've got balloons for everybody. There's hats. We've also got the car over here that'll be raffled in 3 weeks' time. So for those of you who haven't yet purchased your tickets, please make sure you get involved. They're $25 a ticket, and again, all for the Sydney Children's Hospital. Get involved. To buy tickets, contact our office 9523 4333. Thanks very much.